Okay, now that we've got these guys ready and it's all ready to roll, go ahead. Just put a little flip on there, not too much, no big deal. Scratch up the pieces that are going to connect. And so you put the ear on. It goes around here like that. And I want to make sure it's nice and even on there, like that. Now you can see it, let it raise above there just a little bit. Put your thumb under there. And then like that, okay? And just kind of stick it on there for now. And we'll put the other one on there, and then we'll come back and we'll tidy it all up. Tidy it all up now. Just the more you let the clay set up, the better off you're going to be. It's going to look nice and clean and deliberate. Now, I'm going to go ahead and check that out. It's pretty much in the place where we want it. I'm going to go ahead, move on to the other side, center it all up, and then go and clean this all up.